Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. For today, I'm going to teach you how to fix ChatGPT is at capacity right now. So the meaning of it is that too many people are using ChatGPT and it will usually pop up on your screen. But for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to assume that I am experiencing that right now as well. So I'm going to log this out and just make sure to sign in or log into the right account, and then it will appear that you'll have to input your email address, and then once you've logged in, just refresh the browser and you can now use ChatGPT. So that's it for today's video. Please click on the like button, comment down below, and subscribe if you are new to this channel. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.